Greetings to all. Nice afternoon. I would like to convey my appreciation for your willingness to hear what I have to say and address. Today, we're going to briefly concentrate on a problem that some nations overlook, and it's become a global environmental issue. Listen carefully because I'm not just going to address this, I'll also impart everyone the value of discipline. According to the adage, a person's look and cleanliness reveal their character. Using this perspective, we often evaluate a nation and its citizens based on how well kept the nation is, which also reveals the level of discipline the government enforces on its citizens. In line of the fact that the subject of this speech is a nation that is tidy and highly developed in terms of climate change, we will also discuss the environmental education that their government mandates in order to maintain the highest standard of discipline for both their country, environment, and their citizens. According to an article I read online, the Germans are very strict about the cleanliness because they start with their own homes. If you visit Germany, you will notice that the streets are clean, not just their homes. As a result, they have the reputation of being the cleanest nation. Germans practiced and upheld cleanliness not just because their government required it and enforced laws pertaining to it, but also because it was ingrained in their culture from their ancestors. Regarding climate change, Germany has reduced its greenhouse gas emission from 1,990 to 1,242 carbon dioxide and plans to do so by 2030. To that end, the government has developed a plan that calls for the removal of coal and the construction of more energy efficient and climate-friendly infrastructure. In recycling, Germany is at the top of the recycling rate, having increased by 56%. German recycling practices, according to an article, include separating cardboard and paper from bottles and other items that can still be utilized. Because their laws requires that the people recycle what needs to be recycled, their government enforces that it's illegal for someone to not recycle. In order to promote environmental health, Germany is implementing environmental education through extracurricular activities, school fests that are sustainable, environmental trainings, and many other initiatives. Additionally, Germany established the Federal Climate Protection Act to address environmental issues that go beyond climate change and to maintain the environment's cleanliness. As you can see, Germany has maintained its environmental health, not only in accordance with government regulations, but also because its citizens value their culture and believe that the nation's appearance tells volumes about its disciplines and predecessors. Therefore, it means that we can also maintain the cleanliness of our own country without waiting for the government to say anything. This is because our country is a reflection of us, its people, and we are the ones who will benefit from it in the end. Did you ever consider the people who suffer whenever there's a storm, flood, or other occurrence? That is because by our lack of environmental care? If not, let's do our part and start it in our own homes so that we can apply it to everything. Since we will be the ones benefiting from it, let's be good citizens and do our part by volunteering and joining various environmental clubs. As I often say, just as the environment nurtures you, so do you. Thank you for listening, and I hope this lecture helps us understand how a nation is fighting climate change and keeping its sterility, and also the discipline. Thank you.